Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to reactivate your Patreon account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open your web browser and search for Patreon Help. Then click on the first link and you will be on the official Help Center of Patreon. Here. Click on Submit Request and you will be taken to this page. On this page, you'll need to choose a request type below. So click on the drop-down and make sure to have this selected. I have a question about Community Guidelines English only. Then you're going to put in your email address, which was associated with the Patreon account that you wish to reactivate. Next, you'll see, please select one of the options below. Click on it, and then you're going to look for Appeal My Account Removal for a Community Guidelines violation. Of course, this is assuming this is the reason why you're trying to reactivate your account. Then you're going to need to confirm that you have inputted the email address associated with the removed account, which is what you were expected to put here. Then under Subject, you're going to put in Appealing My Patreon Account Removal. And then right here, you have your description where you get to detail your reasoning for filing the appeal. Down here, you have the option to make some additional attachments or some supplementary evidence to support your appeal. Click on Submit and wait for a response. The response will determine if you will be getting a reactivation of your previous Patreon account. And that's it. So that's basically how you can reactivate your Patreon account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.